Hey guys, I'm not there today. So these are your instructions for today. Remember, the whole goal of this project is to answer the three questions: who discovered the atom, what are they made of, and what the heck are moles? So that's the whole point of your project. Remember, your problem statement is: how do we as museum curators create an interactive hands-on chemistry exhibit with a Halloween theme for young children? So today, what I want you guys to do is basically work on your models and your scripts for your presentation. You're going to have to read the rubric if you haven't already. So read the rubric. You're going to delegate responsibilities to each other and start building your tombstone atom model and flyer. Remember, it's for kids. It must be interactive, entertaining, and it must have a Halloween theme. The instructions for the tombstone are on C, and everything else is basically on the rubric for the atom and the sorry, and the flyer. Okay, so let me show you where the rubric is on Echo. It's under A. And the rubric is basically varying degrees of how well you do things for this project. So it goes from emerging to advanced. So for proficient, you give me the background of the scientist's life. You tell me who they are and what they did. For advanced, you tell me a short summary of the scientist's life, explains what he or she is known for and why. Contributions of discoveries regarding their model. And remember, every scientist is going to have a different model. Some of them have weaknesses. So here for advanced, you explain what those weaknesses are and what it's missing. Interesting facts, and your visuals are appealing, so on and so forth. So that's all that stuff with the tombstone. So remember, it's not necessarily going to be on your tombstone. It's going to be in your presentation. The summary of the scientist's life and things like that is going to be in your presentation. The atomic model, professionally labeled. It's interactive. You can tell what a proton, neutron, and electron are. Remember, assume that all your models are neutral. So that means that the number of electrons should match the number of protons. So that they have a net charge of 0. For the flyer, remember, these can't be digital. They have to be non-digital. If you need poster board, there's poster board in Ms. Dominguez's room. I would say maybe half a poster board would be sufficient since they're going to be little exhibits. But for your flyer, you explain the significance of the mole for conversions, like why it's important and why we use it, and explains the enormity of the number. And you use a real-world example. So just like in the video, they said that if you were to get a penny, 6.022 times 10 to the 23 pennies the day you were born, and you were to spend $1 million a day, you would still have 99.99% of your money. An example like that. Not that example. That example's off the table, but something like that to show the enormity of that number. So divide up the rubric. Read the differences between emerging, developing, proficient, and advanced, and delegate each other's responsibilities. Remember, we're going to be doing a gallery walk, which means if there's 3 or 4 of you in a group, 2 of you will be presenting and 2 of you will be walking around, or 1 of you will be presenting and 2 of you will be walking around, and then you switch. So that means everybody's going to be presenting everybody's parts. So everybody needs to know everybody's parts really, really, really well. Not just your own part. This isn't like a divvying up parts type of project. Everybody needs to know everybody's part. Don't forget about the limerick, well-written limerick that sums up the scientist's accomplishment, and that's something that needs to be memorized. It shouldn't be on the tombstone itself. So divvy up the responsibilities, figure out how you are all going to present each other's parts, and work on your models today. Don't forget to write a script. You need a script for your presentation, or you guys are going to forget. So your presentations are on October 31st. So that's next Tuesday. But remember, Wednesday is also a half day. So I won't be seeing you guys on Wednesday. So you basically have today, and then you have a project work day on Friday, and then presentations are on Tuesday. If you have any questions, let me know. Come in for tutoring. And then after that, we'll have our Unit 2 exam. Right, and that's pretty much it, guys. Bye.